Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jose Cornejo and I'm with JDM ASTAR. In today's video, we're going to continue with the same series on upgrading your daily driver. Today, we're going to be working with the dome and the door lights on the exact same vehicle. So go and stick around, guys. You're not going to want to miss this. Okay, like every other installation on your car's lighting, you always want to verify your bulb size when replacing them with our LEDs. So we're going to bust out the trusty owner's manual and see what bulb we need for this car. Alright, according to the owner's manual, we're working with the door lights and the dome lights. So if we want to identify the dome light, it's not listed here as a dome, but is listed here as an interior light. It's an 8-watt bulb, and it's going to be letter E. So in this case, double-ended. It's going to be Festoon type. We just need to verify the total length in millimeters. For the door lights, looks like it's a 5-watt bulb. Letter D would be a wedge base. So that could be just a traditional 194. Let's go and double check that dome light. Okay, to verify the dome light bulb size, first off, it's a double-ended bulb. These are referred to as Festoon type, and they're usually categorized by total length. So if you just simply get your caliper and you just measure this guy out, we'll know exactly what LED bulb to go for. So this is about 30 millimeters. We've determined that the best ones would be these 31 millimeter Festoon type. If you can just compare them side by side, you'll see that they have a similar length. In this case, we're doing the courtesy door lights. And to remove the plastic lens, you just want to find the little indents. And for this lens, it's right here on this side. You just want to be very careful when removing it. To access the bulb, you want to first remove this plastic piece from the assembly. To do that, you just give this a little push here, and then you pull this out. And then the bulb's located here, and that should slide right out. And we're going to grab the replacement LED. Make sure it slides in. And then you just want to insert this back in there. And we're all set with that one. We'll complete the other side. Now let's move on to the dome light. To access the bulb, we need to locate the indentations to remove the plastic lens. So let's get our pry tool and carefully remove this. I'm just going to shut up in this part, dude. Maybe faster forward. Now to remove the bulb, if you're working with the Festoon, there's usually a terminal that you can push off to the side to free up the bulb. And if it doesn't come off, this is the part where you want to use plastic pry tools to remove it. No metal tools, because there are metal leads here and you don't want to pop a fuse or short anything out. Then you want to grab the replacement LED and carefully insert one side and then snap in the other. Alrighty, then we're going to pop the lens back in here. And we're all set. Alright guys, that completes the installation of the interior dome and courtesy door lights on a 2005 Prius. Similar steps can be taken when working on your daily driver to upgrade the interior lighting. And if you guys found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the video get out there, so it helps others looking to upgrade their vehicle's lighting. And of course, subscribe to the channel to help support it. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys next week.